At the kitty cat's party, all the kittens will be there. They'll be dressed up in their Sunday best with flowers in their hair, wearing red and yellow ribbons and a tiny tinkle bell. There'll be kittens from the city and the countryside as well. Mr. Tommy Cat's invited just to play his violin. When the kittens pick their partners, then the dancing will begin. But perhaps I ought to tell you why there's such a happy crowd. There's a sign upon the wall that says no doggies are allowed. When it's time to eat, meow, meow, cans of salmon piled up to the sky. Each one has his little bowl of milk. For dessert, there's a catnip pie. Why, the spotty duke and rover, they're nice doggies, you'll agree. And they asked the kitty cats if they could all join in the spree. But their big eyes tell a story, and it's sad as it can be. For the answer from the kitty cats was no sir, no sir.